Good morning. How are you today?
Hey, John. I'm good. A little sleepy, but good. How about you?
Same here. I had coffee, so I feel human now. It's a nice morning, though.
Yeah, it is. The sun is out. I like mornings like this. Calm and slow.
Me too. Slow is good, especially when learning English.
Oh, that's true. Speaking of English, today's topic is fun.
Yes. Today, we're talking about how to speak like a native.
Ooh, big topic. But we'll keep it simple.
Very simple. Don't worry, everyone. We are just two friends talking.
Exactly. Okay, maybe we should introduce ourselves first?
Good idea. I'll start. Hi, everyone. My name is John. I'm from the United States.
And hi, I'm Emma. I'm also from the US. Nice to meet you.
Emma, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Do people ever tell you, wow, you sound like a native speaker?
Well, I am a native speaker, so yes, but I know what you mean.
Yeah, many learners want to sound natural. Not perfect, just natural.
Yes, and that's the key word, natural, not perfect English.
Right. Native speakers make mistakes all the time.
All the time. I forget words, I change sentences in the middle.
Same. Sometimes I start talking, then I stop, then I say, wait, no.
Exactly, and that is very native.
So, first tip, don't try to be perfect.
Yes, please don't. Perfect English is not real English.
Real English is messy.
Very messy, but friendly.
Emma, do you remember learning another language?
Oh yes, I studied Spanish in school.
How was that?
Honestly, hard. I was scared to speak.
Me too. I tried French once. My brain stopped working.
That fear is normal, but native speakers don't worry so much.
Right, they just talk.
Even if it's wrong.
So, if you want to speak like a native, talk more, speak more.
Yes, speak every day if you can, even a little.
Talk to yourself. That's okay.
I do that in English.
Me too, in the car. People think I'm crazy.
Same, but it helps.
Another thing, use simple words.
Oh yes, simple is powerful.
Native speakers don't use big fancy words all the time.
No, we say things like stuff, things, a lot.
Exactly. A bunch of stuff.
That's very natural English.
Learners often try to sound smart.
But sounding friendly is better.
Totally. If I say, I'm tired, that's enough.
You don't need to say, I am extremely exhausted.
That sounds like a robot.
Yeah, or a book.
Another tip, listen more.
Yes, listening is huge.
Watch movies, watch YouTube, listen to podcasts.
And listen to how people really talk.
Short sentences, pauses.
You know?
Oh, we say you know a lot.
So much.
It gives you time to think.
And it sounds natural.
Emma, what do you say when you forget a word?
I say, how do I say this? Or I explain it.
That's very native too.
Yes, we don't stop the conversation.
We find another way.
Communication is the goal, not perfect grammar.
I love that.
Me too. Grammar is important, but later.
Right now, speak first.
Another small thing, use emotions.
Oh, good point.
Say things like, really? Wow, no way.
Yeah, native speakers react a lot.
If I hear a story, I don't stay quiet.
You show feeling.
Exactly. It makes conversation alive.
Like now.
Yes.
Let's talk about accents.
Accents. Big fear.
But accents are okay.
More than okay. They are beautiful.
Everyone has an accent.
Even native speakers.
True. I'm from the Midwest. I sound different from New York.
And I'm from the West Coast. Different again.
So don't try to erase your accent.
Just try to be clear.
Clear is more important than perfect.
I agree.
One last tip, Emma?
Enjoy it.
Oh, I like that.
Language is for connection.
For friends, stories, laughs.
If you enjoy speaking, you will speak more.
And you will sound more natural.
Exactly.
So, to everyone watching,
don't be scared.
Don't be perfect.
Be real.
Speak a little every day.
And have fun with it.
That's how you start to speak like a native.
Slowly, naturally.
Thanks for talking with me today, Emma.
Thank you, John. This was fun.
And thanks to everyone listening.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.